Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Honey. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Leo for the month of August 2025. This will be a general reading, guys. So, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Leo. In this reading, we will see the overall energy for the month of August, the key challenges or obstacles, the guidance, what actions you have to take, and what will be the outcome. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Leo. Alright, okay. Okay, it's a devil card. I will read out the energies, but I will show you on the video. Okay. Bottom of the deck, we have the Sun card. Right now, you are being happy. You are, feeling that childish energy of being curious, being happy, kind of a new beginning. It's like something has started afresh, which has given you this energy of, that happiness, that sense of independence, a new beginning, success. For some of you, I see that you might have uh, recently would have achieved something or done something which has kind of given you this energy of a new beginning and happiness. Okay, because that is what the overall energy for the month of August I see, Leo. So it's like you have everything you need in your life to grow, to be happy, to do whatever you want. It's just that you need to know how you can make the best of it. Okay, if you are interested in a particular skill, you need to know how you can use it for your own advantage, for your own growth. It's that you need to understand that things will definitely work out in your favor. You will definitely have a new beginning. It's like a beginning card. Okay, something is beginning in your life. Maybe you are entering into a new relationship, you are starting off a new work, new career, or you might get an offer you have been waiting for too long. So things are working. There is a growth for you in the month of August. Anyway, it's your birthday month, so you will definitely have that happiness and growth you will see. Okay, but you need to focus on how you can make the best of what you have. All right, it can be in your relations, in your career, everything you have. You just need to be thankful for it and work for your own growth. All right, because that's again an action card. So I see that it's a challenge thing. So I see something you have been waiting for is kind of too slow to move. Okay, it's like you have been waiting, and it's not happening. All right, somewhere I see it's you have been waiting for some kind of communication. It can be for some of you, you are waiting for justice. It can be, if you have been going through some cases, some legal issues, you have been waiting and things are not moving that fast how much you are expecting. But don't worry, it's moving. Even if it's slow, but it's moving. So you don't have to leave, you have to be patient. You don't have to be impatient and impulsive towards anything. Just hang on. Things are moving ahead, maybe slow, not as fast as you are expecting, but it's happening. Because I see you are waiting for some kind of justice, you are waiting for some kind of outcome, some kind of karma, that you did not deserve it and you are still suffering because of it. So justice will be served. Okay, justice will be served, don't give up. But it's happening at a not that fast, but it's happening at the back end. So you just relax and sit there. Okay, you will get the justice to whatever you are, whatever you have done, you will get the justice accordingly. So just don't be in an impulsive energy. Rather, it's like justice will be served. So don't be in that negative mindset that it's not happening, it's not happening, it's not happening. Don't think that. Rather, just leave it to the universe, surrender, and things will definitely work out. Because again, it's a devil card, so things may take some time to work out. Okay, you need to see, is it something which you are kind of occupied with? Is it something which has taken a huge amount of space in your mind and heart. It's like kind of not letting you focus on anything else. It's kind of, you are feeling stuck. You are feeling stuck, that you are stuck in this situation, and it's not happening. You cannot set yourself free. So you need to come out of that mindset. So for that you need to set yourself free, that whatever restrictions or illusions you have put yourself or around you have created, you need to overcome it. Okay, that is what I see. Because if you will keep on thinking that it's not happening, you will definitely attract that energy and it will not happen. Okay, so you need to come out of that energy that you are stuck and things are not moving in your life, and you are kind of suffering because of all that. So you need to come out of that obstacle, that mindset, whatever you have created in your mind. Because if you will focus on that, you will definitely end up in this energy of just waiting. Okay, so as I said, the overall energy is like you need to be focused on your growth. You need to be mindful of how you can use your resources to the best possible way and change your perspective. Because if you will not, you will end up in this inner cycle of waiting and not getting the rewards for whatever you have efforts, whatever efforts you have put in, not getting the rewards for it. So there is a communication coming in. I see whatever you have been waiting for too long, I see there is a communication coming in. But to have that, you need to be in that receptive mindset of that okay, I surrender to the universe and things will happen how they should or they have to, and not having any too much expectations and hope, and overcome this energy which you have created, that you are stuck in a situation. So you are not stuck, it's just you need to change your perspective and see things from a different angle. All right, so that's the energy for you, Leo. So if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.